Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today we are doing something a little bit different and it's going to be a fast video also. So today we're going to be doing a flip through for my March budget of 2020. So if you have not seen the unboxing that I did a couple of days ago, I think it came out on Sunday. If you have not seen that, it is from a small Etsy shop called Tempestxoxodesigns. She is amazing. She sent me all of that stuff, and if you have not watched it, the link will be down below so you will understand what I am talking about. And her Etsy shop will be down below also, so make sure you go and check her out. Even if you don't buy anything, share her Etsy shop link so she can grow as a shop. But anyway, so we're going to flip through March, and make sure you go and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss a video when I post. Alright, so I used the March layout, and as you can see, it is very floral, and it covers the top, then it has the little numbers that I can cover the numbers on that, and then I put some small washies. I did go ahead and put my paydays on those. So the only thing that I will say about these stickers is that I kind of messed up on it when I was placing, so I was like pulling it back a little bit and it started tearing. Not the sticker, but the planner started tearing. So that's the only thing that you might have to look into. But like I said, she is very new, so if you message her, like give her some tips and everything, she would really enjoy that, because she loves getting advice, because she wants to produce products that y'all would like and that y'all would buy. Alright, so flipping around, so we are doing the weekly check-in page right here. So I'm not sure how many weeks I'm going to be doing in March, but there is 5 weeks that I do, so I just used everything. And as always, it has floral, has the weekly check-in in week 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right here is something new that you have not seen on my channel, and I am going to do a transaction log. I'm not sure if I'm going to write it in while I'm filming my weekly check-in, because it might make my video a little bit longer, and a lot of people don't like long videos and some people do. So we'll just see. I might just write it in on the first time, and then I will get y'all opinion after that. Alright, so next is Paychecks. So it's our budget. It's a little bit different. So she did not provide a budget sticker, so I just took one of the Paychecks that she gave me. So this had, I think, a number 4, so I just took the 4 off, and then I just did paycheck. So I have my paycheck number 1, paycheck number 2, and I already did the estimate, so I'm trying to do $1,300 every paycheck, so that is my goal. And as always, I have my bills I have to pay: rent, car, phone, insurance, credit card, light bill, gym membership, MediaCom, and my student loans. And then right here is on paycheck number 2. So if you have watched my other weekly check-ins, you know that I only have one page, and then I split it with paycheck number 1, paycheck number 2, and then the total, or I do a check mark or something that lets me know that I have paid it. So the plus and the minus is going to be my date, or it's going to either say T for transfer or check mark. That means that I've already paid for it. And then the same thing goes for paycheck number 2. I have all my bills listed out, and then the due dates also. Last but not least, we have a sinking fund page. So this is on the last page of the March budget, and it says sinking funds as always with the floral. And then there was a strip. Let me show you what it looks like, only because I changed it up just a little bit. I mean, nothing's wrong with hers. Nothing's wrong. It's just that I'm just so used to how I did it. So this is hers right here. Let me see if I can zoom in just a little bit so y'all can see. Alright, so it says fun, beginning, plus, minus, and ending. So with mine, I switched up just a little bit. I did, like I always do, it has paycheck number 1, the total, paycheck number 2, and the total. So I widened it out. I mean, it's not the prettiest, but it's just how I normally do it, and since I do to Paychecks, it's just easier for me to have paycheck number 1 and paycheck number 2, and then the totals in between that, only because, you know, it just makes more sense to me. Nothing wrong with Tempestxoxodesigns stickers. It's just how I function. So if you're like me, you'll just, I don't know if you can work with this. I mean, a lot of people can, but yeah, so whatever fits your preference, whether it's like this or like Tempestxoxodesigns stickers. But anyways, so as always, we have the total, paycheck 1, total, paycheck 2, and then total. So we have college, vacation, medical, car maintenance, Christmas, Black Friday, wedding, special occasion, which is the bachelorette trips and all the weddings I'm going to be in this year, beauty, tag, and gifts like birthdays. So tag kind of means like your license renewal, your tag renewal. I'm a surgical tech, so I have to have certification renewals every month, and then every other 4 months for the national certification. So that is it. But anyway, so that's pretty much it. So this is the March budget layout. Let me know if you like these videos, because maybe if I get some more kits, which I do have a April kit that Tempestxoxodesigns did send me, I will go ahead and do that for you guys for April. But if you like these I can't even talk right now, you guys. If y'all like these flip throughs, just let me know and I'll be sure to film them again. But anyways, I hope y'all have a blessed week, and I will see you guys later. Bye.